welcome back, guys. Today I have another tutorial for your Honda Pilots. This will be for model 2016 and probably up to 2019 should be the same. If you have equipped with the rear entertainment system, I'm going to show you guys a tutorial, or even though you have the Honda Link. So I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to hook this up. Anyway, let's go ahead and then check out all the connectors that you have and get familiar with it. So I'm going to move to the secret light adapter, the one that's under your climate control or your Blu-ray disc control, which is right here. This is your climate control, and then this is your Blu-ray DVD player. And right here's a connector. This one is for the smartphone. In case you connect it, it will sync it with your Apple Play or Google Android Play. And then the other one will be over here. You gotta slide this thing open around your center console, and you gotta get familiar with there's an auxiliary right there. That is for your USB auxiliary, or USB auxiliary for the iPod. So first of all, we're going to move back to the rear, but you've got to make sure you press the engine start once, all right? So right now we are in the accessory mode. So first of all, let's get familiar with the FM. Oops. On the audio, you have a FM, AM, XM radio, and then Blu-ray disc player, USB, iPod, Pandora, and then your smartphone, and then your Bluetooth, and then your AUX, and then auxiliary rear video, and then HDMI rear, okay? So let's move back to the rear entertainment system. So this is the control for all your audios, okay? And then be sure to turn on the rear for allow the back to control. Anyway, since we're over here in the front, I just want to make sure to show you guys real quick. I got my iPod Touch right here. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys the connector. You got to connect your data cable or USB. And then we're going to connect it to that adapter right here. Okay. There are two options. One is a 3.5mm jack right there on the top. And then the second option is connect to the USB. Either your USB, your memory stick. If you put like a songs in there, MP3, you can put that as an input source for the auxiliary. And then the second option is to just connect your iPod Touch directly, or your iPod. Into here. All right, and then you go to your iPod Touch and then just play like music. And then I'm gonna hit this one. I'm not gonna play it because due to copyright. But I'm just gonna play and then show you guys on the screen what it's gonna say. Okay, so right now it's playing right now. And I'm gonna go hit over here on the dash. And it should display the song. Okay, you can press play or pause or jump to the next song or repeat song or shuffle, whatever that you could do right here. Okay, so we're in the back, so I had to open my dual panel sunroof to get a better light. As you can see, today is very, very hot. So I'm going to show you guys a couple options that you can connect on the back of the rear entertainment system right here. Okay, there's a HDMI connector right there that I'm going to show you guys today on how to connect it. And then there's your RCA jack for video, left and right audio input. In case you have a plug that requires 110 volt, you got to rotate it in order to plug this in, okay? And this is just your headset or either your infrared wireless headset volume control here, or you connect it to your 3.5mm jack. And on the right hand side is just two other USB port. So first option I'm going to show you guys is the HDMI, because I was kind of struggling with to connect this, and then I don't get any video from the rear entertainment system. So be sure to allow or turn on the power switch right here on the left hand side for the rear entertainment to control it in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna flap this open. Hopefully it's not going to play the DVD I have in there right now. Okay. And to take out the controller, you just pull this out. So you gotta make sure you turn this on. Damn, the controller is hot. So today is very hot. So as you can see, when I press auxiliary, there's an auxiliary in. That's for the 3.5mm jack. And if I press it again, and this is a video in rear. Video in rear is for the RCA jack right there. Okay. And then if I hit it one more time, and this is the HDMI, no signal. And if you hit it one more time, this is the USB port that we went over on the center console right there. And then this is a USB iPod that we are connected right now to my iPod Touch to play the songs. So now we're gonna switch it, because I didn't know you're supposed to put the auxiliary and keep on hitting until you see the HDMI. Okay, so right now we're in the HDMI mode. So we could just go ahead and then connect to our device. I got my Note 4 right here. I'm gonna connect it to my MHL adapter. This is original Samsung. To my phone. Okay, and this is the HDMI connector right here. I have my cable over here that I'm gonna hook this up. And then I'm going to connect it to here. So I got to unlock my phone. So I'm gonna play, let's see, a clip of a video. See? So yeah, as you can see, it's working. Okay. So let me get out. So that's my Android. It's mirroring with my Android phone right now, the Note 4. So you go to like a SoundCloud, or no, you go to your iHeartRadio or whatever music you have it, or you play any Cody movie, whatever you have over there to play on the back of the rear entertainment system. Okay, so that's that. And now we're gonna go to auxiliary. Oh no, I passed it. Okay, this is the video in. This is the RCA option, okay? Oh my god, guys, look at me sweating like crazy. Today is so hot, like 90 something degree. I'm sitting in a hot cot just to record this for you guys, so hopefully you guys appreciate. So let's go ahead and then disconnect that. I could hook this back right now. So if you unhook this back, just make sure you push it in. That's it. Hopefully I have a juice on this old DVD player. I kind of plugged into the kitchen earlier, try to charge it. Oh, there's juice. Okay. Let me untangle this. Maybe I don't need to. It's long enough. So I'm gonna connect my video input right there, and then left audio, and then the right. And then I'm gonna connect that to my video and audio input right here. So in case you have like a PS3 or PS2 that uses all RCA, that's how you connect it, okay? So as you can see, whatever I have right here is showing on my rear entertainment system right now. Alright, so I'm not going to play anything right now due to copyright. And that's how you connect it. So in case you don't hear any sound coming out from the stereo system, at the front, at the dashboard right there, you will need to change the audio source to video int. Okay? And that's that. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video, and hopefully it's helpful for you guys, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification. Share this with your friend, family on social media if they are so struggling with the real entertainment system they plug in and they don't know how come it's not showing. any of the video on their rear monitor system right there. All right, so that's why I want to make this video for you guys to show you guys, because I was kind of lost and didn't know what is going on, because I select the front HDMI and I didn't know on the back you're supposed to press the auxiliary button on your controller. All right, and keep on pressing it so you can select a different option in there. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching and happy Sunday. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.